Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I will show you exactly how to grow your followers on Threads in 2025 with real effective strategies that you can use today. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss any of the key habits that boost your visibility and engagement. So without further delay, let's get started. So the tip number one here in order to gain more followers on your Thread account would be to post every single day with value. You need to share at least one post every day, teach something useful, share a tip or insight, content that your audience can't easily find elsewhere. You can also tap on this search icon here in the bottom and you can browse for the trending tags. Make sure that you add 2 to 3 relevant hashtags in your post to increase discovery. Now you need to reply to all of the comments that are available on your post. If you tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and go to your replies, you will be able to see how many replies you have made. Also, you will see all of the videos and all of your posts. So simply click on the comments icon and just take a look at the comments. If you see any of the comments here, you need to simply comment that down again, and this is basically build the visibility and the community, and people will start checking out your profile as well. You need to share your post, your best thread post on the Instagram stories or TikTok as well. You can invite your followers to join you there. It actually brings new people into Threads feed. You need to use a clear profile photo as well. As you can see on my profile, the profile picture is very good. You need to write a concise bio explaining who you are and what you post. You can also add a link to your website or any other socials to make the connection easier. So this is how, if you follow all of these steps, you will be able to gain followers on Threads in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.